How to see locked profile photo on FB. So if you want to see the locked profile photo in FB, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you need to just go with your account. So I'll just switch to my account from my page. Now, once you've searched, you just need simply go with search, which is on the top right, and search for a person. After searching, now, for example, if this person's profile is hidden or it's locked, you just need simply go with the right side of their profile, which has that three dots. And here you need to go and copy the link. Tap on continue. And once you've copied the link, now you need to go back and you can open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'm here with my Chrome browser and search for fbvideodown.com, or you can just simply go with FB video download or down. And once you've searched, now here you will have all of the websites. So you just need simply go with the first one, or you can also search for FB profile downloader. After that, you just need simply go with the website. Now here you need to paste the URL that you've copied from your Facebook and then tap on view or tap on unlock, and it will analyze the profile. And after that, you will be able to see the profile picture. Here, as you can see, that you'll be able to see the profile picture. So that's how you can see the locked profile photo on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.